I'm Jill, and I am a registered dietitian with the Center for Community Health and Prevention at UR Medicine. And you are in my kitchen today, and we're thinking about Thanksgiving, the holidays, all the things. And I wanted to put a twist on that. So we're gonna do a vegan Wellington. So typically this is with beef. I'm gonna do a mushroom concoction that hopefully is savory, just like you would see in a beef, and this would be appeasing all of your vegan friends, but also a way to add fiber to your overall diet during the holidays. our two little guys right there. I've scored them. They're gonna go in the 400-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, and then we'll see what they look like. Okay, they're finally done. Look at these babies. They're beautiful. Now, I probably should have separated them out. We'll see if I can get them out, but you can see the difference in the crisscross pattern versus the regular pattern. It's just preference. Hope you enjoy this vegan option for your tables this holiday season. Thanks for joining me.